Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you about how to install the hard drive like I said last time. So hard drive is a memory of your desktop, and the bigger the hard drive is, the slower your computer start up, because your computer have to make everything ready, and if you have like 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte, it take like really long time to start up your computer, and it also depend on your CPU also. So here I have Western Digital 500 gigabyte only, and and I found out 500 is not actually enough, so I will buy like 1 terabyte, like the other 500. And so now I think 1 terabyte is actually good enough. So so the slot to put in our hard drive is here. You can see. So only thing you have to do is make sure this side is up and this side is down. So you have to put in the right place, of course, and just push a little bit. And for your hard drive, you actually have to push it, and there we go. Nice and easy. And now we have this and Western Digital gift. So only thing you have to do is put this in, and okay. This is not working for me right now. Okay, there we go. So put this in, nice and easy here, and just okay, there we go. And this is how you install your hard drive. Oh, and we need this wire to connect it to the motherboard. I think is somewhere down here. Okay, down here. So I will do that in my own time, but first I will just teach you how to put it in on your hard drive. So you can see here we have this SATA wire. So only thing you have to do is to put this here, and when you hear the click sound, then that means it is good. And now you have to put this around your desktop, and I'm not gonna do that right now, but you can do that in your own time. And you have to find a slot for your place to put in on your motherboard. Mine is around here under the my graphic card. So I will do that later on, but here we go. This is how you install your hard drive. Also, you need a power for your hard drive and on your power supply. And let me go get those and show you guys. So here we have our power supply. So let me find which one is it. I think is it's quite messed up right here. I think it's this one. Wait, no, it's not. This one is for the floppy. Okay, I couldn't find those right now. Okay, I probably couldn't find those right now, but it's on your power supply, I'm really sure. And there we go, we have our hard drive installed. So next we will install our CD RAM. So this is how you install your hard drive.